China's leading heat pump brand, now with the German headquarters. This is Hien Renewables Gum. Hien, known as AMA in China, entered the heat pump industry in 2000 with over 26 years of experience. We're a national little giant enterprise and a certified green factory. Our products cover heating, cooling, hot water, drying, and swimming pools. Hien Renewables Gum, established in Germany in 2025, is our European hub. From here, we provide local warehousing, C-certified products, eco-design compliance, and full technical support, all designed for the European market. We even showcased our latest R290 heat pumps at ISH Frankfurt 2025. Behind our German office are 5 major production bases in China, over 5,300 strategic partners worldwide, and a dedicated R&D center. Our heat pumps perform reliably in temperatures as low as -30 degrees. Chinese manufacturing power, German level service. That's Hien Renewables Gum. Follow us, DM or visit the link in bio for partnership